Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, October 13, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, October 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng October 13, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, October 13, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for October 13, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, October 13, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.